to change your graph so that you can see this area here around 200 minutes, discount the pay-as-you-go option because you don't get a free handset with that, but to see this area more clearly we're going to need to change these scales and change these numbers along the bottom a little bit. So first of all, we need to see the area between 20 and 25 pounds. So if I right click and go to format axes, these options are for the scale of the graph. So if I say the minimum amount I want it to show is from £20 up to £25 and press close, it's changed this scale down the side, so I'm looking specifically at this area. Now I also really just want to see in between 200 and 300 minutes on the graph. So what I can do is I can change the data that's selected. If I right click and go to select data, right now I've got from 100 to 600 minutes selected, but if I change this, so hold down Control on your keyboard after you've highlighted the tariff names and the box above them. I'm just going to highlight 200 and 300. Click on this button to check that it's done it. It has. Press OK. Now my graph, much more clearly than before, shows me which tariff is cheapest. If I go up from the number 200, you can clearly see the first line that it gets to is the red one, which is the Talk 30 tariff. So that looks to me like it is exactly £21, which is just cheaper than Talk 15 and just cheaper than Talk 45. So that is your answer, Talk 30.